Hey, good evening to you all. How you all doing? Good evening, every one of you. Now watching me wherever you are watching me from, I don't know. Good evening to everyone. Happy weekend to you all. If you are watching me tonight, please join me. Let's talk about amazing business opportunity that really going to change your life for your good. So it's not my power, but I know with Almighty God and with your effort, this business is amazing indeed, for every one of us that watching me tonight, okay? Let me quickly advise some of my team, also some of my group member as well, so that I can join us as well. I invite some people, let them join. Let's talk about business opportunity tonight. This business is amazing. It's amazing, okay? So it's all about Juice Plus Company that I'm on Facebook. I really go to really bless you the way I'm inside the business. It's blessing me as well. Imagine this kind of quarantine now, so nothing, no job at this moment, nothing you can do right now. This is what I'm saying for the past about 2 years ago. I've been saying that you have to really do it your son, try to do something like extra income coming to your way every month. Is very important for you guys to know what I'm trying to talk about. Okay, so that is why I bring this topic to you guys to really understand today. It doesn't matter where you are watching me from, whether you are good evening, Sasharo, how you doing? So whether you are from Burkina Faso, Ghana, Togo, wherever, as per you live the diaspora, so you can do the business also. Okay, this business is not going to take up more of your time, or it's a business you do with style. Like me now, today is a weekend. Yesterday like this, I did not come to this live video because of I was really when you have kids, this is weekend time. You have to really spend quality time with them, so that is why people did not see me yesterday the evening time. So but today I'm telling you guys that this business I met on Facebook that really changed my life already. I don't bother to say, oh my God, how am I going to ship my product to my clients? Okay, so my company do everything for me by themselves. All I do on Facebook, I share my testimony, I share my journey so far inside the business. I also share, sometimes I share some secret I receive my money from my company. I share some of the potential so that I have to really believe. I know that many fraud is around, that is everywhere. People don't just to believe that online business is something that you need to really do, apart from your salary job. It's very nice, especially stay at home mother, the married ladies, single ladies. It's very good that you have something doing, every day. So like me, I cannot avoid one day that I don't talk to somebody. If I don't talk to somebody, just like, oh my God, do you think I'm still existing again? That is why this online business, you connect, it's a networking. You connect with a good quality people in your life around the world. So don't worry about yourself. How are you going to get all those stuff, all those our product that you want to be selling for your customer as well? My dear, don't worry. Immediately you sign up already, the company is going to activate your website with 30 countries. You can be really go to this. They are the one that go to distribute your products to the customer, not you. Don't need to worry about anything at all. So they will do everything for you on your behalf. All you need to do just to look for your customer. I've been on the business now for the past 2 years, and it's going to 2 years and 2 months now. So I'm enjoying it so far. I'm a boss of myself. Nobody boss me around. I do the right thing the right time that I wish, that I like for myself. So the same thing I want you also to join. You see what is going on now. But guess what? Everywhere is locked down, but the online does not lock down. DHL, other service delivery, they are still working. Meaning that business is still going on underground. Like I was so scared that when this coronavirus just started, I was so scared, I was so worried that, oh my God, my business is going to stop one time, it's going to really be tough for me. But that is the actual time, that is the time that people get to know my business. That is the time myself, I have my time myself to do my business. That is the time I say that we shut off some of product on our website, because the business just opened the air share. When we say that 3 working days, you are going to receive your product. Guess what? You can never pass by. You are going to receive your product during that working days. They are still working, so you don't need to worry about yourself. My God, when I join this business now, this is going to buy from me. Me myself, I can share my testimony from year to day that when I joined the business, I didn't have anybody. I don't think I will have anybody that I want to sell the product for. But you and me, you are my customer, you are my everything. As you watch me tonight, that's how I get my customer around the world. That's how I sell my business around the world. Okay, so I don't worry about anything that, oh my God, when I sell it today, it's good. When I buy it today, it's good to follow to buy a business. No. I always sit down inside my bedroom. Customer can go into my website there and portray their order. Why me myself I sleep on my bedroom? That's how I do my business. Good evening, my boss lady. How you doing? Yes, your family. I hope everybody is doing fine. So that's how I do my business. Okay, I don't worry about anything. Nothing. I just sit down inside my bedroom. I do my thing wherever I want to do. Nobody boss me around, Nobody challenge me, or why you do something like this? No, because I do everything myself. Anytime I feel like to do my business, that's how I do my business, okay? So if you watch me right now that you feel like to join this kind of business, man, like me, if you want to be in ambitious ladies, or you want to be having that excess, like extra income in your pocket, you don't need to depend on one income. Okay, if you are a social benefits, for example, sometimes when you mistakenly when they ask you some of a paperwork that you fail to give them at a particular time, guess what? Then I'm going to suspend your money for the next month. You will not be running as scatter. Like, oh my God, because it's happened to me before. But right now, I don't think I will be worried that maybe now I'm one kind of organization that gave me some money, or one kind of business that failed to give me money at that time. I'm not going to fail because I know I associate myself with online business, okay? So with this business, when we say all the time, they are going to fail your money, they don't fail. No, they don't fail. We don't fail. The company don't fail. All the time, they pay. Every Juice Plus rep now, for example, up today, we already know the money they're going to pay all of us. So when you, good evening, Kevin, how you doing? When we join the business, before you know, every or the four, so our website will tell you how much you are going to receive. We don't have exactly amount that we are receiving in this our business. The more you work, the more you put your effort in your business, that is how you are going to get your money. Okay, so that is it. It doesn't matter you are a student. Many people used to say an excuse, oh my child, oh my husband, oh my school, oh my work. Look, you do your thing in the right time for yourself. Nobody boss you around. I say it again. Like me, if I say today I'm not coming to live video, nobody's going to challenge me. So I do my thing wherever I want it. As per my website, I say activated with 30 countries. People go there to go and buy their products. Okay, the same thing I'm advising you today. If you want to be owning your own business, business that you go to invest just only €50, €60, $52, $50, £50. This young company, your CEO of your business, okay, nobody's going to worry you. You understand me? So just leave it there. Do what I asked you to do. If you're ready to learn with me, I'm going to teach you more. You can know about this business. Okay, the business is so amazing. It's so nice. Like me, I enjoy the business. Why am I enjoy the business? Because I unite with all my team members, with my business partner. Nothing you are going to lack. It's just like everybody. We are. How many people can I go to see? A lot of people, a lot of ladies, inside the business, just like you bring your idea, I bring my own idea. Before this your brain, you don't know how to use this smartphone. They taught me a lot of things that I ever learned when I was in my school. You understand me? So today I'm enjoying the business. It is only the atmosphere you build in yourself, associate with yourself with different ladies, with how you don't move from one place to another. You see that inside your app. It's a great thing for you. I know that you stay healthy, at the same time the company pay you money. So I can share my story how I looked like before. I was so fat, was so big on my tummy, on my looking, when you are giving birth to children, you know how it is, how your body is going to really ferment, So, but the product and the business, everything changed my looking, changed my status, okay? So don't sit down there telling me that, oh my God, my husband is working, I'm seeing social benefit. I can tell you, social benefit, fine, it may last forever, but it will come to a time that you can never ever buy any property or anything for yourself, any good quality time for yourself, you know, because they are the one that are giving you. Just like beggar have no choice, you know, just like slave, you know, fine, they do well, they are okay, everything is fine for, but at the right time, do something in your life. Also make your brain so look flexible for you. I swear, talking with people, so people, they are in there talking to nobody, before you know, depression will start, you know. So join the business with 60 euro, 50 euro, $50. Just start it, okay? So you don't buy any product. If you don't like live video like the way you are seeing me right now, there's no problem. That's left for you. People are doing it without no live video, but my live video is my hobby, because people want to know, people want to see who is operating this live video. That is why sometimes I come out. People to come and see me, and we are saying we are taking the product, and people don't really see if I'm taking it or not. That's why sometimes I come out with my with my instrument and made the product. I have to drink it, so you people have to see me what I'm really doing, if it is truth or lie, you know. So that is why I come to live video all the time, okay? It doesn't matter, maybe you don't like live video, because of that you want to just kill your destiny, or you don't like what you are doing. Hi Lucy, good evening, how you doing, my lady? So that is it, okay? This business is so amazing. I've been on it. I have, you know, a big shout out to my upline, to all my all my business partner around the Europe and American, also UK and United Emirates, and so on and so forth. You know, we all will unite together. When I'm seeing them alone, you know, sharing our tea together, you know, I so much more look at, when I look at them, I enjoy them so far. Thank you so much, my dear sister. Okay, so that is it. So if you are there looking at me this evening, this is your best time to start. It is just only 200 euro you are getting from somewhere, without you don't even pay. How can I say, without you don't buy product, you don't think about, oh my god, this my goods is going to be spoiled or expire for so time like this, you know. That is a great thing for you. It's an amazing thing for you. Like me, I don't worry about anything. Anything I purchase, anything I buy is for myself, not for my customer. You know, customer only portray their product with their own details, not my details. I just only distributor. That says here I want to come and do now. Come and be a distributor around everywhere. It is just 200 euro you are getting in this business, because nothing like you are buying and selling. We always said, we only introduce the business to people who need this an extra income, and who also want to live a day lifestyle. That's what we are doing. Sometimes you don't like live video, it's not by force, you know, it's not by force. Like me, I love it. Beginning, it was really so tough anyway, but now I love it so much, because seeing you guys like this, you are giving me life of hope, you know. And imagine that some of ladies that join my business, also some of ladies that buy my product, and also some men that buy my product, you know, they are so enjoying their life, so free now, you know. That thing that now severe pain, that severe, you know, I cannot even say that life they are passing through before, they are now branding their life now. It gave me joy. It gave me joy so far, especially the lady that they are looking for the fruit of the womb for the past, like, how many years? They didn't even see it, nothing to do, you know. When they use my product, they're so happy, they are so blessed on it, you know. I feel so joy. It is only that one I just changed. It is only that I changed. I'm just happy. Okay, so that is it. If you want to register, you can inbox me. Let's get it started. Okay, we have our Zoom training that we are going to train you free of charge. Any question you bring, you are welcome. No question is silly in our Zoom meeting. No question is silly, okay? Because you want to learn more. We are going to hold your hand and teach you if you're ready. You know, if you are ready. I'm saying that we are seeing money. We have our competition plan that comes with 150,000 euro. You know, which is, I just say it for example now. You are not going to achieve that just one day. You just process by process, you know, one after another. Okay, so people can do it like 1 year, 2 years, I don't know. That one is just your congratulations, but expressing your bonuses. You know, we end with 7-figure earner with this business. Okay, so if you watch me, you want to join, my dear, don't waste your time. Register and join the business. The business is so amazing for everybody that you are looking for extra income. Imagine what is going on right now. We don't quit. Our business is going because we are online. This is how we enjoy our business. People that hold a job, that hold working servants people, you see that many of them, they lose their job at this moment. I pray that this thing is going to be coming. That's like everybody that working, let them go back to work to go and look for their money again. Fine, work is very good because it's based on particular salary. You understand me? So, but at the same time, you can still do this job just like your mini job. Business you'll be doing, nobody boss you around. Do it the time you just like, this time you feel like. Nobody's going to boss you around. Okay, just do it. Okay, do it. If you are a mother, you stay at home. Me myself, I'm a mother. I stay inside this my kitchen here doing my business. At the end of the month, I'm going to get something from it. The same thing I want you. There's no liability woman again. Every woman wants to do something in their life right now. So if you are in my position, you are a stay-at-home mother, you are a married woman or single mother or just teenager, my dear, fight for your life, do this business. I give you extra, how many years, 1 to 2 years, you see what you earn at the end of the year. You understand me? So don't just be looking, oh my God, they are coming again, these people. It is not good. You can never find us in anywhere. So people used to say, my God, they are everywhere. Fine. It is not good. You can never find us in anywhere. That is it. That is why I love my business so much. So we are everywhere, as you said. We are really, really everywhere, as you said. But guess what? When you join the business, you can never ever go to regret because we deal with worldwide. We do with everybody. We don't know that if you are not my country, like me, I'm from Nigeria, we do with all country. Wherever you come from, you can join the business. Wherever you know you came from, you can join the business. Okay? Don't let your English to be your barrier because speak anything you want to speak. It is your knowledge, it's your language, anything at all. Use to talk to your customer because it's network business. Never can say go to come inside your business, we turn your business around. That is it. Okay, like me, I enjoy my business so far. I know what I'm doing there. I know how much I'm gaining. I know the way I enjoy my business with my team member, also with business partners as well. With my customers around the world. Big shout out to all my customers. You people made it with me last month. I was so blessed. I was so proud. Oh my God, this is years of January is going to really tough. We go to buy my product, but I surprised that people still buy the product. I surprised that people still purchase the product. That is why I said this life, there is never, there's more people in the world. It's what you are looking for, not other people that are looking for. Everybody know what is pursuing each other. You know what is your goal. Your goal will never let you go. That is it, okay? You have to really pursue your dream. Do what you ask yourself that this thing I want to do it. Associate yourself with other people as well. This business is so nice. If you want to be a successful person, don't just sit down, be worried yourself. Especially this your age right now, you are so fresh and so young lady or young man, young cute or some guy. This is your time to do. You can do up to 3 jobs at the same time. You know what I'm talking about. You can do 1 to 3 jobs at the same time. So that is how you are going to achieve your goal. One salary can never make because sometimes they always fuck people up. Just disappointing. Just like, oh my God, today there's no job, everybody can go. You can go as again. Follow up your online business. Okay, just the way I'm telling you guys right now, because the business is really so amazing. It keep me busy. It keep my goal. It keep me seeing my vision board in my life. So that is it. So with this business, we are here to do it together. I'm here to really do it together with you guys. If you're ready to learn, just inbox me. My name is John Michael Obama on Facebook. You can find me there. Okay, so most of my live video, I always drop my link if you want to join the business. Okay, do this job with your part-time. That time you used to sit down on top of your bedroom, like inside your bed. For example, you want to go to bed, just extra 10 minutes like this. Post on Facebook, just like the way you are posting your picture, you are posting your commenting other people's picture. That's how it look like. Post your picture, comment, talk to people. You will see at the end of the month, you go to see money in your bank, your bank. Yes, in your bank, you are going to see money there. That's how we do the business. So if you have the opportunity right now to register yourself in this business, go ahead. Register right now with €60. You are a lucky more than me. The time I started business, I registered with 100 euro. But right now, it's much lesser. If you live in Germany, it's 60 euro. You are going to register this business. You start your own financially. Financial freedom for everybody. This is 2021. You don't, every year, everybody pray that, oh my God, let this new year be better than the year that just passed. That is your prayer. But right now, you pray already. You are not doing something about the prayer. How do you feel that favor is going to come? It's going to really hard. It's good. Sorry, I use that with put a real hard, because if you pray, you don't make action, you don't even make step on it. That prayer is just like you are just wasting your time. Okay, do something, anything that your mind just really just think. Oh my God, let me give it a trial. Give a trial. When you try, you fail. Do it again. You are going to win. Because I learned one thing, that sometimes when you learn a mistake, the second one, you are going to go straight in that area. You have to just bend. Oh my God, this is where I made a mistake. That is it, okay? The same thing with businesses. When you make a business, you don't make profit. You think again, maybe what I do, what I say is not quality, or it's not right place to say, it's not the right time to sell it. You go back again, you start again. Okay, don't just sit down there. Women nowadays, we are pictures. We need more. We are the people. Women are the person that spend money now more than the men. Okay, that is only this time. So, oh my God, my husband have this. No. This kind of time, as time, we already have to also do something in ourselves. I know that we cannot find money the way men, they only have the muscle power to work more than we. But technology is around here that we work so smarter. Work smarter and end good. Work smarter and end good. So you don't need to use all your power right now. This online business is for you and me, especially ladies like me. It doesn't matter, maybe you are pregnant or you are just a latiti mama that maybe you are breastfeeding your baby right now, or you just need to give birth. You can do it. It doesn't matter. You can do it, okay? That your baby you are taking and just something like excuse. Hi Adesiwa, good evening. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody. Thank you. I just sweep up my comments away right now. Drive it back again. That's why I see you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, you too. You're amazing lady, I swear. Thank you so much. So that is it, okay? So if you watch me tonight and you want to join the business, just join. I need to share my live video. You may not love what I'm doing, or maybe you don't even like me at all. Somebody is out there that are going to like me, that are going to love what I'm doing now, that are going to change their life. People, they are thinking somewhere right now so that they can just say something like they want to be seeing like 200 or 500 euro monthly to be joining their salary. I think to be combined to their salary so that they can pay some bill, that can up, they can reach out to many people. How dare? Okay, it's just online business, my dear sister. It's online business that I met on Facebook 2 years ago. That I'm still in on the business. I'm doing it with me and my family in this house, without not going anywhere. I don't buy products, I don't ship products, I don't collect cash from customer. Customer don't use my information to buy their products. That is it. All I do to look for my customer on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere, YouTube, even along the road, talk to people. That's how I see my customer. At least at the end of the month, I see my customer every other 10, because the company calculate my money wherever I sell with my team member. They give me my money. That's how I earn my income every blessed month in this house. Okay, so if you don't like to join, if you don't like live video anyway for beginning, there's no problem. If you live in the diaspora, if you live in any part of Europe, you can join the business. Malaysia is there, Romania is there, UK, United Kingdom is there, and also USA, Canada, we are there. All Europe, we are almost take over all Europe, we are there. You understand me? So you can join the business. Don't worry about, oh my God, am I going to get my product? Like me, any product you see in my hand, it's my personal use. It's for my life use. I'm used for myself, not for customer. A lot of customers used to ask me, sister, after you come to your house, how long is it going to deliver to them? I say, oh my God, don't worry, sis. This product is not going to come into your home. Rather, am I going to see? So it's not going to come to my home. Rather, am I going to see it on my two naked eye? From the company to your house, I'm just honorary distributor. Okay, that is it. But we don't have fees price that we receive in this our business. The more you work, the more you give. It's just like a farmer. The more you have the strength to have a sense of your land, how can I say, how you clear, how you maintain your farm, that is how you are going to be repeat. Okay, so we work in Instagram, we work everywhere. You know where to get your customer. So if you don't know where to get your customer, I'm going to teach you what we call primary teaching. So we almost join Zoom meeting every blessed day. But you are not going to live, just move one step away from your home. Stay inside your bedroom, rock your business, just like the way I'm doing it here. I don't go anywhere. Every day I stay. Sometimes I get tired. When I sit down, with typing inside my phone, I like to just stroll out. Even as I'm strolling out, if I see any black lady like me, or maybe some of white lady that looks so familiar, so jovial to me, I talk to them about my business. Some of them will say, some of them will say, okay, immediately, just like that. So nevertheless, if you join the business, no, you cannot expect everybody should love you in this world. It's not possible. Okay, just use that one as your believer. Okay, I can use many people. If you are there and you are thinking, oh my God, I don't have friends that I'm going to sell this my product. No, my dear sis, oh my God, I cannot. This is Facebook. Facebook is a public place. What I'm saying right now, I'm not lying. If I say I'm lying, let anybody or my family or my friend come and challenge me right now. I've never seen my family support me, or rather my friends. So the same thing if you join the business today, don't think about your family or rather your friend. People you don't know so much, they are people that support you about your goal. Do you understand me? So that is it. Don't think, oh my God, I don't have friends. Me myself, I have friends. But my friend, most of them, they are not in the Europe. Many of them, they are other countries. So a lot of my friends, many of them that I met here in Europe with this Jamie here, they buy my product already. But my family, they are not here. Maybe they could have buy, but they are not here with me. They never buy my products. Okay, so I deal with 5,000 people on my Facebook. So more than that 5,000, maybe about 200 or 300 people, they are my friends. Other people, they are not my friends. So that is it. That is how we rock our business all over the world. Okay, this business is going to change your life. Actually, it's going to change your life totally. And your behavior, everything about you is going to change you. Okay, so what are we selling? We sell a healthy product. This product is to clear your immune system, to make your hormones balance to balance for you. You have to balance your hormones. Why we ask you to balance your hormones? So people, they are on medication, medication like so many years, like 1 to 3 or 4 years, 5 years, even more than that. They are still taking the same medication. Do you know why? Because your immune system is still low. That is why you are taking the product. It's not reactive for you at the moment time. So what you need to do, you need to supplement it with fruit and vegetable. The fruit and vegetable we are selling, I'm a black lady. Many of you will say, my God, where did she get it from? I'm not a manufacturer of the products. I'm just a distributor. Okay, the product generated from USA is here in Europe. Okay, it's not with me. It does not come from my country at all. I'm just a franchise to the company. That is what I do. The product is so nice for everybody. That you want to really build your immune system. You want to work for your body, or maybe you want to try to look good. You want to try to build your tummy back again. Maybe you have excess weight. Not everybody is going to be a tiny woman being. So at least you have to really watch your weight, what you eat, what you don't eat. But with my product, you don't need to worry about anything. As you are taking it, it's replace that place that you need to forget that, oh my God, I have to watch my weight. Like me, I only eat anything I say. Because like me, as I grow up, like my mother used to brought me up, that lady always cook what they say, carbohydrate all the time for us. Pounded yam rice all the time. All the time for us, So the same thing, just like it's already my life already. I cannot change suddenly. Begin to be eating salad overnight. Or other things I don't know overnight. So that is same food I see based on until today. Which me and you know that carbohydrate food is always full of fiber, also with fat on it. So that is why most of us that come from Africa, we only lack of iron. Because we fail to be eating all those raw fruit and vegetable all the time. Fine, we are the people that eat almost what they call it natural food without no fertilizer, but we don't eat it so much of that quantity enough. Okay, maybe lack of I can say maybe sometime like financially. Do you understand me? So that's why we have all those supplements to be supplement ourselves right now. You need to build your immune system. Like me, I'm a patient of allergy. When my allergies start, I have to be scratch my throat, my nose, my eyes, even until now, my nose is still scratching me, but it's not like before. Before I used to bleed on my nose. You know, every time I had to have dry nose before you know, poof, you begin to bleed. But right now, the bleeding have stopped for a long time ago. The excess of fluid is stopped a long time ago. My hand that used to scratch me stopped a long time ago. My body that used to fat ferment for me, you know, everything is just moderate, and which is what I love so much in my life. You know, I used to be weak all the time because I have that low iron in my body. So the product now builds my immune system. There's magnesium on it, copper, you know, so many things like folic acid in our product. I used to bridge that gap that I failed to be eating fruit and vegetable. When my GP doctor was telling me about this before, I don't even know. He said, oh my God, Mrs. Michael, you lack of iron. I don't even know what is he talking about. You know, he asked me to prescribe some of food that I recommend that I have to be taking. I don't even know it. When I come, oh, I have to do everything once in a day. No, it's consistent. You know, before your body starts reacting for stopping, it takes like 3 to 4 months. But we don't know. We don't know it. Those are the things we are trying to introduce for man and woman, also with kids, our kids as well. Okay, so this is what you need. If you see anybody that suffer to have a child today, my dear, introduce the person to my product. Let the person use the product like 1 month to 4 months or 4 months to 8 months. You will see the person go to sing hallelujah song. I know a lot of women like that are using it, okay, because all almost is different. Some of them will use like 3 weeks, 1 week, or rather maybe 1 month, or 4 months, even 1 year. Depends of your hormones. Okay, but I promise you, because that is why my company, when you purchase the product, they like to reship it for you, because it's a supplement. It's not a medication. It's fruit and vegetable that we all will need. Like me, I cannot turn to animal overnight to be shrimp like fruits every day. I can't. But through my castor, I'm eating it because it's very easy. It's a piece of castor like this. When I swallow it like this, I consume like 30 variety fruit and veg, even more than what Google asked me to do. That's why you see the skin is still there. The atmosphere, my body is still there. My metabolism, everything boosts it for me. Okay, so that's how I want to say today. I don't want to go inside deep so more about the product. I'm talking about a business for everybody to know. Lady, let me shock you one thing. I have to break myself down now. Let me tell you now one thing. You know, say if woman get everything they do, hardly they get problem with your husband. Hardly people they argue about anything concerning money. Hardly that has the lack of food. Hardly that has the lack of happiness. Hardly that has the lack of joy. You understand me? So because of say you don't get everything they do, just like empty vessel. I mean, you don't get support within the support with the man. I see the talker. Women, let's empower ourselves. Let's engrade ourselves. You know, no one let money scatter on our marriage. How you have to come more for that your comfortable zone. That you sit down. My husband can do everything. We can share this money. Find your own. It's too small, it's too big, my dear people. I have to give this expo advice. It's too small, it's too big. Like if they feel they save like 200 euro, if they work and they come, now who get then they give? Who not get? If they day in mind, but you don't feel do anything. You understand me? So maybe the advice I have to try to give some ladies. Not sit down like that. If you want me, your husband they respect you well, do something. If you like make it be billionaire, see do like billionaire business for one. Make her no say if at all you not there around again, you can still do your life and your children. He say go see happy say woman where you see get like this, he can still take out my child, my family if I'm not longer among or around. Do you understand me? So let's do something. Online business is a great thing. I joined one group yesterday. I said, let me build up my YouTube. Let me see how they take it operate. Come and see everybody. See the way people are looking for the money. So you don't left behind. Now internet na place for the make money. There's money in this internet that you yourself you never understand. No sit down for Facebook for 24 hours in a day. They comment it, they jump for live video, do your whole. It may go to bless you. It is just only 600 euro. You defeat a C every month. Imagine a woman with a 600 euro. The husband was like 2,000 something. I'm not be that one in a month. That as everybody faith go come down. Everybody go to jolly. You can spend like 200 euro. Take rough the house. Save like 400 euro for your pockets. Just like that. I don't know how you feel. Like me, if I don't get money today, if I don't get here, if I touch money, my hair, my body, I go here, they think one kind. Rather you just did like that. Now you see, if many women they go, they fight, they tear, they are saying they don't come share money, children money, this money. If you get everything they doing, all those things they concern you again. Even the man with the carry the waka, man with the carry waka, say go see get confident. You go they happy. Imagine if you see someone today go say, yes, my wife they work. They go use and they nod their chair, they go they happy, they go relieve for the stress. My dear, if you want to build off your own, do something. Do something. Sometimes the men say that they broke. Maybe they'll drive them for work, they come sit down for us. Imagine what do you expect? You as a woman, your own see the use your own to manage at that moment. Okay, that is why I have to draw this message for ladies. And they always talk out for my live video. Women, let's do something. We know say we don't get power. Now make this business come. If you like get belly, you feel the one. For inside your Facebook. If you like newly born baby they sleep now. Be you go soft sleep, start your thing they do. If you work on like the give and breast, start again. That mouth they talk. Okay, don't let anything disturb you not to build your home. When money not dey, now they already dey for all. And they tell you truth. If money dey like this, and they quarrel bye. I always say it. If you get everything they do, now you don't get time to gossip anybody. Whether even know whether your husband do this or not. Or you understand me so? Okay, this 2020 hour, 2021 hour. Okay, so let's try and do something together. Like me, I'm enjoying the business so much. You know, you can see it all over me. And also, I'm doing this since past 2 years now. I never complain one single day. Any day I don't want to live video, I'm missing a lot of things. Okay, so that is why I invite you everybody to join the live video to do something good for your life. Okay, so I promise you that you are not going to regret why do you even join the business. Okay, in this life, determination and passions and your dream, your goal, nothing easy. I'm telling you the truth. You are working anywhere money involved, no one easy. Okay, when you join the business today, maybe you don't have that customer that come in. Keep on doing what you are doing. Do it every day, every time. You will see yourself. You win the goal. You will win your goal. You win your dream. Hi Teresa, how you doing? You win your goal. Don't sit down there and look at yourself. Don't let the day just go like that. So I thank you everybody. I'm going to go right now. You know, I love you guys. So share my video to your wall. Do something about your life. Let's do something. Okay, thank you so much, Vicky. As you share my video, may God bless you. Amen. Okay, share my video. Share to everybody. Okay, who need the business, let's just join. Let's start it together today. Bye bye everybody. I'm going to my Zoom meeting right now. Bye.